Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. Now in today's week's tutorial, I'll show you how to search for apps, movies, shows, and all that good stuff on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to search for movies on Chromecast, you're going to be using this search bar right here. So the search icon on the top bar, click on that and then come down. This is explicitly to search for movies, shows, cast, films, and more. But you get the gist. So you're searching for content. So just click on this and then search for instance, I'm going to search for a movie, maybe a hijack. So if I just type this into the search bar, I'm going to use that recommendation and then click on search. So this is going to search for hijack. Hijack is a TV show, or you could call it a TV series. Now, when I'm looking for a movie, I'm going to use the search bar. If I'm looking for a TV show, I'm also going to use this particular search bar, which is at the left of the top bar. I'll give that a couple of seconds for the search results to come up. If you have good internet connection, this should just take a couple of seconds. So now that you have seen how to search for movies and shows, the next bar you need is the apps. So go to apps and then go down to search for apps. This one, and then come down and click on the keyboard to search for the app you're looking for. So for instance, if I want to search for, let's just say downloader. So I'm just typing downloader. So that's the downloader application, and I'm searching for that app. This is going to use the embedded app store in the Google Play Store. So the Google Play Store is here, but it's just embedded in the Chromecast. It's going to use that and bring apps, and you can see this is search results from the movie. So the first bar, as I showed you, this first bar right here under search is going to show you results from TV shows, movies, and things like that. That's why if I type hijack here and search, you're going to find the hijack movie pop up just like this. But on the other hand, if you want to search for apps, you have to come over to apps and then click on search for apps and games and then put in the application of choice. After this clarifies it completely, downloader. I'm just using it as an example. I like the app. So that's the download application. It uses the embedded, this search bar just showed you uses the embedded Play Store and brings you these apps. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found it insightful, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.